Hello, my name is Dustin, and today I'm going to show you how to configure your Event Lead Guest Portal widget. To start, click the Settings button in your navigation bar, then click on the Event Leads tab and select Manage Event Lead Guest Portal Site Activation. This is going to take you to a screen where you can configure your widget. The first thing you want to do is choose the default lead type that's going to be used when your leads come in. In this case, I'm just going to select Internet. You can then set a minimum days in advance. This is going to allow you to prevent people from making leads for the same date as today, or they have to make them a certain number of days in advance. In this case, I'm going to leave it at 0, however. You'll then want to choose the salesperson that your leads get assigned to by default. I'm going to set this to myself, but if you have a designated salesperson who handles incoming leads, you would want to choose them. You can then select if you want to send a notification to that salesperson that the lead's been created. We typically recommend leaving that on so that the person who's responsible for handling them is aware of when the leads are coming in. You can also select if you want it to send a confirmation to the contact who's submitting the lead. If you leave that checked, you'll want to select an email account for that to be sent from. If you click this lookup button, I'm going to search for myself again, so any of the emails that come through will come from me. You'll then want to choose a template for it to use for that confirmation. So I'm going to click that lookup, and we're going to select our event lead template. Finally, you'll want to click the Activate button, and this is going to activate your portal and give you 2 HTML codes that you'll need to put on your website. These are what make the widget show up on your web page, so you'll want to give this to your website administrator, whoever is responsible for managing your website. They'll be able to put this on the web page to make the widget show up. Once that's added, anyone who visits that page should be able to come in and submit a lead directly into your system. You can customize how the widget looks by going to Manage Event Lead Guest Portal Page Layout. If you select this, you'll want to change your division dropdown to the division that your site is in. And you can then drag and drop the options that show up on the form. You can also add new fields or remove any of the existing. Then simply click the Save button to submit those changes. Thank you for watching this video on how to configure your Event Lead Guest Portal.